Hey Prakshu,
Hi, Nirupa.
are we having class or not, Prakshu?
I don't know. I just messaged, but
Yeah,
I
there is
think,
no reply, right?
yeah.
Yeah, I'm waiting for the 2 hour class actually.
Yeah. I think he said yes, 2 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So how's your Thanksgiving week going on, Prakshu?
Yeah, it's going good with kids. Like they have full week break. So just
Yeah,
going like play zone and all.
yeah.
Just like that. What about you?
I just dropped off my kid at school. She didn't go to school till yesterday. She's in
So,
Montessori, right, Prakshu, though she doesn't have any holidays except
oh.
on the Thanksgiving day. And I don't want to send her, but she's like,
Mhm.
no, she's still having little cough, so I don't want to send her putting that mask and all. But she's like, I will miss off all the Thanksgiving stuff, drawing and everything. I said, for 2 hours,
Hmm.
go and I'll come pick you up early.
Yeah. So she is in Montessori school.
Yeah, she's
So
Montessori.
they don't have like breaks at all?
No, no. For Montessori, there is no break until we don't want to
Oh.
send it.
Mhm.
So they will not.
So what's the difference between Montessori school and normal public school?
Normal public school, if they'll have their own agenda, right? Like the normal public school. Montessori means she's not into the public school yet, even though.
Huh.
So till 5, you can send your kid to a Montessori or a preschool, or you can keep them at.
Oh,
But at Montessori, it is like if the kid is interested to learn, they will teach you. If they want to play,
oh, okay, okay.
they will.
It will depend on kids. Like if kids are interested, then they will teach your kid. But in
Yeah.
public school, everyone has the same syllabus. They will
No,
teach
no, no.
everyone same.
No,
Oh,
this is like more of a, if you think of it, it is more of making them kindergarten readiness,
yes, yes, got it.
so that they can
Hmm.
stay in the school for 4 5 hours. So from next year, they have to stay more than that, right? For them to get.
Ah,
That's why I'm sending her,
yeah.
because I'm not interested in sending her because it is waste of money. And
Yeah, because in public school, there is only 2.5 hour 3K session.
yeah, and it is waste of money
Hmm.
of sending here. They don't learn anything. But my kid
Yeah.
is so much attached to me due to COVID and all. So I thought, okay, let
Hmm.
her. She just cries for after 30 minutes or 10 minutes if she doesn't see me. So I thought, okay, slowly I should get her used, because in public school they will not allow all these excuses, no, Prakshu.
No, no, no. Yeah.
So
Hmm.
that's why I sent her. But
Yeah, it's good.
this is a Indian Montessori. I
Oh,
it's a
so
Indian.
there are
So
lot of Indian kids.
a lot of Indian kids, and it's a Indian Gujarati ladies.
Guy.
So she
Oh,
is most of into academics. That's the only reason I got interested.
yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's good. Like my kids are in charter school, so they have different curriculum.
yeah. How is charter school,
So,
Prakshu? I applied for the charter school, but it's a
hmm.
lottery-based one here. I applied for 2 3 schools, but it's a
So they
lottery.
have
So
waiting.
waiting. February we will know.
Oh,
We will know
oh.
the result. I applied it.
Yeah, no, like even they are good. More than public, they are very good because they have different curriculum. They focused on even academic or your character activities, like how you build your character, like self-respect, respect.
That's very
They
good,
build
right?
these activities also. Yeah, and they have different subjects also. Like in my kids' school, they learn Latin.
Yeah, I'm not keenly interested in public school because I saw kids going to public schools. They are like,
Mm.
not of much discipline and all. I didn't like it much.
Yeah,
So
because there's everything is lenient. If you want to do it, then do it. No one will
even
force
the
you or no one will
way they
motivate you.
talk and everything is not, impressive. I saw many kids going to, so I applied, well, there are 3 public charter schools near me. I applied to
Mhm.
Let's see. So
Yeah.
my main focus is her to get into a charter school with gifted learning. She is
Yeah.
years old, but she is like already at the level of 3rd grade math and English and everything. So,
Good.
So let's hoping for the best. Let's see.
Yeah, it happens. Like maybe if it is still there will be waiting, then some kids don't join when it's joining day. So you
Okay,
can get chance. Yeah, it happens with my older one.
that's very
Like we
good.
were in waiting in kindergarten, but I think day before the school open, we got the mail. Okay, now you can enroll your kid because we have seat. Your waiting is clear.
That's very good, right?
Yeah, because lot of people moved. So after
So
4 months, what happened? No one knows.
good. Good.
Mm.
Your kid, if one kid gets into the school, it will be easy for the sibling.
Yes, yes, you will get the preference
Yeah, that's
for
great.
second one.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I heard it from yeah the people who send kids to the same thing. Like one kid goes, other kid will get the preference. The priority
Yeah,
will.
like definitely your other kid will get the admission. It's 100% like, but because staff don't have that much kids,
Mhm.
there is no much staff in school. So how they will fill the class? So it will come to the siblings preference.
Very.
Okay, first staff, then sibling.
So even if sir comes today, it is I think you and me.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, Taru messaged that she will be late.
Okay.
Mm.
Hoping sir will start Power BI.
I don't know because I don't have uploaded in my Power BI in my session, so I will just see and will try on backend. Like I will try to
Something
do
is
that
better than
because.
nothing, right?
Mhm.
Something is better than nothing. Like we at least we
Yes.
if your system is ready. Maybe from next class we can.
Hmm. Yeah, like if we are able to understand the like
Oh, in
topics
Apple,
and
no, in
headings.
Apple MacBook there is so what is the issue? Tell me. Love. So the MacBook it doesn't. It's it the
Yeah, no, Power
not
BI
able
is not
to.
available for MacBook.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Yes, it is available for iPhones, not MacBooks.
Oh,
iPhone or iPad, it will work, but not on MacBook.
oh, that's that is
Yeah, I think because it's Microsoft product totally, so they can't available everything on everything.
Oh,
So yeah, I download on my phone because I have iPhone, so it's easy.
yeah. It
Let's
is.
see.
Yeah, it is easy, but it is a strain for your eyes.
No, like I will try to in my other laptop. I have other two, but
Then
let's
that
see how it goes.
yeah, if you have to do all these things like it is a constraint in you doing the
Yes.
everything in the phone. It is
Yeah, because I don't do that too much stuff on screen. So
it is irritating to yeah. What else, Prakshu? So what are your plans for the Thanksgiving?
no, not as such, like just enjoying with kids.
We go to a Sunday school like Krishna ISKCON related school
Oh,
for
ISKCON temple. Okay,
not
good.
technically it's ISKCON people part of they are not like they they are conducting classes a family who is
What type of classes like?
so they will conduct classes for kids like small.
Yes. And any specific things you want to ask in the Tableau?
Tableau LODs can we do sets and LODs those things, sir? But
I mean to say, like, if you want specifically by the things we'll discuss, but to discuss the entire Tableau, it will be not possible, Nirupa.
no, sir, only LODs. I tried to understand. I mean, I'm trying to understand it, but somehow it is not getting into my. I'm not able to take like the examples what they are giving there. So, but what I know LOD means level of details and everything, but the include and
Okay.
exclude and
Oh,
everything.
okay. For example, LOD is nothing but you have a visualization. Okay. In
Mm.
that visualization, if you want to go deep, how we are going deep in the time,
You mean how back we are going, like till how much
yes,
the data? Okay.
how much deep? On an overall view, we are able to see that year information. After that, quarter information. After that, month information. We're deep drilling it, right?
Okay.
That is nothing but details. A deep drill, deep down.
Hmm.
Mm.
But especially for the LOD means nothing but level of details, right?
Mm.
Hmm.
Level of details. We saw a lot of aggregating functions.
Hmm.
What are the different aggregating functions?
Some count, distance, maximum, minimum, average, percentile.
Okay. But here we can able to calculate all those things manually also, right? We can able to calculate average. We can able to calculate sales, sum of sales with the formulas we tried by adding some calculated field and we did some computations, right?
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
Huh. But along with that, the thing is, for example, you calculated some specific thing, but that particular specific thing contains all the multiple floating values in it. You are not able to view the entire floating point. For example, 200.5397864 like that. You're
Mm.
not able to see, right?
Mm.
You can able to round off or you can able to simplify it.
Okay.
Okay. And for that, you will create some new dimension, new feature, and you will allocate that particular result to the new feature. How we calculated by copying the dimension and added a new calculation related to it. You can able to add details either to the dimension or measure. For both, you can able to add. If you
Okay.
want to add a, for example, regions, we have 4 regions, for example, north, south, west, central, east, like that. You can
Okay.
able to separate the regions also into 2 categories. North, south into 1, west, south, west and east and central will be into 1 zone. You can write, you can
Oh,
separate it, right?
yeah.
How the
Okay.
value, how the values, for example, a salary is there, greater than 50,000 and less than 50,000. You can able to segregate measures also into 2 categories. You can
Okay.
able to fixed means what it is the meaning of,
It
what is the
means
meaning of
we
fixed?
cannot change it. Like it is a fixed.
Include or exclude.
Mm.
What it means?
Include means we will include that particular expression. Otherwise, exclude means we are taking, except what we are mentioning, everything will come except that part.
That is the thing.
So you mean to say we can apply aggregations to both the measures and dimensions part.
Yes, right. You can able to add details to the
Okay. So
and,
general aggregations we can do only for the measures part because it's the numerical values we can do.
yes, right.
But in level of detail, we can do it even on the dimensions.
Dimension, and you can able to apply specific filters or put limits or okay, I don't want only 100. I don't want round figure amount. Apart from the round figure, I don't want 100,000. Apart from 100,000, each and everything is important.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir. So KPIs means it will come in the Tableau in Tableau or in Power BI, sir.
KPI is there in each and everything, Nirupa.
Okay.
KPIs.
Okay.
KPI means what?
Key what
Key
indicator?
performance
Key
indexes.
performance indicators. Yeah.
Hmm.
Okay, so because why I am asking is like if I'm looking for the job profiles, most of the things they're saying LODs, KPIs, they're mentioning that. I didn't, sometimes they're showing in Power BI and sometimes I didn't.
API
find-
means nothing but, for example, uh, uh, we written some if conditions, right? If conditions, else conditions, and if sales is greater than, if you want to identify the best performing products, you will write a condition. Okay, if sales is greater than 2,50,000, that is the best performance conditions. Like that, to mention and to bring the report with some specific conditions will consider as a KPIs. KPIs will KPIs will
Hello?
hello, you're able to hear me?
No, sir.
KPIs, you're not able to hear me?
Now I can hear you.
Okay. KPIs will change from process to process
Changes
and
from process
project to
to process.
project,
Okay,
right?
okay,
In running, for example, if you take a running race, shortest time is the part. Shortest time is the performance measurement index. Who will complete 100 meters or 200 meters within the short time?
okay.
But that's not the measurement in cricket, right? Who scores more is the measure performance index.
Yeah.
That's not the thing in football, right? It will
Okay.
change
Yeah.
like that. Those are
So,
the KPIs.
so
KPIs are not came from anywhere. Those are just an aggregated functions based on the business requirement. Definitely KPIs will be defined by the business. Just you need to implement those things. That's it. Those are some specific conditions. That's it. For that, you need based on the conditions, you will arrange the color coding.
okay,
That is the thing.
okay.
And
And I'm still doing, sir. So I'm still trying different things. If I get a doubt, I will post it in the group.
okay. And
So generally, Power BI means like if there is if we are applying for say Tableau or Power BI developer jobs, so what kind of questions they will, I mean, how deep they will go and what kind of questions they will. So basically, if it is Tableau, what I understood is the bins, sets, group buys, okay, this what is this calculated fields. This is okay, but how deep they will go and uh, how it will be, sir? I just wanted to know.
the questions will be completely depends upon the role which you are applying and the company to which you are attending an interview.
Okay, they will make us even do it like on the screen, like they will give questions and ask us to do it, sir, like a practical kind of thing too.
Yes, it's they'll ask some real time situations and they'll ask some imaginated reports and all those things.
Mhm.
It depends upon the interviewer. Uh, I mean, that's completely unpredictable, Nirupa. How the
Oh,
interviewer will test his skills based on the exact requirement what he's looking into his team. Maybe the requirement is the Power BI, but he want an SQL expert. Then he'll check. He's looking for an SQL expert, but he's not going to tell, right? His team is a Power BI. How he'll tell? He's looking for an SQL expert, even though if the profile is Power BI. Even
oh,
though, and along with that, you mentioned SQL also, right?
yeah.
Each and everyone will try to grab all those things. Each and everyone, he feel like that you are an expert in all those things, but it's not possible in real time, right? Our
Mm,
requirements and our skill set and their requirement and our package and joining date and the company and the location and the contract, each and everything is important.
okay, okay.
Those are the things which will influence. And if you have any doubts, for example, I need to find out some questionnaire will be there related to Tableau and SQL, I'll share with you
Yeah,
tomorrow.
please do, sir.
Okay. And if anything is there, uh, if you have any doubts related to SQL or Excel or Python or Tableau, please try to clear these things.
So, okay, sir, can we do one day for X lookup, V lookup, these kind of things in Excel, sir?
Okay, right, we'll do.
Okay,
So I'm just asking, just go through the Google and try to find out the questions,
okay,
different interview questions for the Tableau experts, and prepare each and everyone prepare a notepad or something else and share with me, and we'll discuss those things.
okay,
If we didn't discuss, we'll discuss. If we miss any concepts, I'll discuss those things also.
mm,
And once these are clear, now you will revise all those things. Meanwhile, we'll cover the Power BI
okay. So we are starting Power BI from today, sir?
today, but only 2 people are there, right?
Yeah, and I think Prakshu also needs some help for setting up or something.
Okay, okay, right. Then we'll complete that particular thing. Rakshu, what you're facing?
No, nothing. Like I just did in my phone because it will not work in MacBook. I will do it in
Okay,
another laptop.
Okay,
okay, that's great.
okay,
That's
then
great.
that's great.
Tejinder, Taru,
Taru, I think is in meeting.
okay, 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 no problem. Meanwhile, if you have any questions, one thing is, if you have any doubts, please maintain a questionnaire.
mm,
Why? Because you all are revising all the concepts at once, right? By referring the sources also, you are not able to understand. Please make a note. Please prepare your questionnaire.
okay.
I have question like I know what is Viz SQL,
Mm-hmm.
where it works like
Sorry, what it is?
Viz SQL.
Viz SQL.
Yes.
What? Biz or Viz?
V for victory, I for India, Z for Zimbabwe, and SQL.
Oh, Biz SQL. What is that? I never heard
It's
that.
like visualization of SQL, so that I know, but I don't know how or where it will work.
I'm also here first time.
Yeah, I was just Googling for Tableau questions, so I got that term.
VizQL,
Yes.
visualization tools for SQL.
Yeah. But
Okay.
it was showing that it will work in Tableau. Like with SQL query, you can visualize or you can use in Tableau.
Oh, really, I don't know.
Oh.
Smart business intelligence solutions. Is that you're talking about
Mm.
No.
with the Microsoft SQL Server? Is that one?
No.
Okay.
I will search it, then I will share it then.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So what else is left in
Whenever,
Tableau, sir?
sorry,
For us to cover, like what else is left in Tableau for us to cover?
in Tableau, most of the things we covered. The only thing what we need to cover is that thing will be discussed along with the Power BI.
Joins us,
I'll
sir.
tell. Joins is a simple thing. I mean, say like it is a
Ah,
1 or 2 minutes thing. Joins we can able to do it in the entrance screen itself. You know,
yeah. Yes, yeah, I did it, sir. Yeah.
you remembered?
Yeah, I remember.
I
So,
showed at the initial.
Huh. So
Drag
that
and
term
drop
is
only.
VisQL, QL,
VisQL.
VisQL,
Yes,
Visual
VisQL.
Query Language.
Huh. So here itself you can able to join.
we can't see your screen, sir. At least
One
I
second.
can.
Hmm.
Okay. Here you can able to.
Hmm.
It's a simple thing to join and to join multiple conditions and conditions.
Hmm. Okay.
And don't forget, if you have any questions related to
Hmm.
anything except Power BI, if you have any questions by referring interview questions and by reading some articles related to it, or by just post it, five questions, just post each and every one. If you have any questions, just those are not cleared by yourself, just post it
Hmm.
in the group. We'll go in an order.
Okay.
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 Each and everyone have a Power BI, right?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
I'll share some data also with you.
Data means like data sets,
Uh,
sir.
each and everyone are able to complete all the revision for all those things by this week.
Hmm.
Revision, I mean, the
Revision and doubts clarification for all the sessions.
Okay.
Python, SQL, Excel,
Okay.
Tableau. These 3 sessions will use for doubts clarification.
Hmm.
And one more thing, I'm going to select Power BI. Please tell me some specific time. You know, if you have 1 second. Uh, 1 hour session is not sufficient for Power BI.
Sir, you wanted to tell the whole Power BI in 2-3 hours?
No, not 2-3 hours. At least 2 to 3 hour sessions are required for 3 or 4.
Okay. Okay.
How you will plan? That's your responsibility. You can plan those things. Session
I am
should be 2
okay
to
on
3 hours.
weekdays, like on regular class, I'm totally okay.
Yeah, weekdays and weekends are also I'm open, sir. But most of like I know everybody is not okay because everybody is busy with kids and classes. So I'm
Why?
actually
Because like Tableau, it is not Power BI is not easy. If we
Hmm.
go in a complete flow, then it will be easy to learn. Otherwise, you will be confused with Tableau and Power BI.
yeah. So it is like into Power Query, Power Pivot, and
Yes, right.
yeah,
Power Query and Power Pivot, and the main thing is you need to have a good understanding on the DAP and the Power BI architecture.
yeah. Okay.
Hmm.
Just discuss in between you and please tell me what days we can able to spend.
Yeah, I think it's better we post that question in the group so that everybody can give their inputs and we can set up a day, maybe on Monday or Tuesday if we start Power BI. I think
And
Hmm.
meanwhile, if we doubts are stagnated, we can discuss those doubts also.
Yeah.
okay. Okay, sir.
Okay. Take someone initiative and try to find out the days.
Hmm.
So for it is for 2 hours, 1.5 2 hour class, sir.
2 to 3 hours class.
Okay. Okay.
2 to 3 hours.
But it is okay for you, like from if we all set up on 9:30 onwards to 2 to 3 hours. It is okay for you.
9:30 means here 10 o'clock, 10 IS,
Yes,
10
yes,
p.m. IST.
yes, that's why.
10
So
p.m. IST.
9:30 means you're in East Coast timings, right, Prakshu?
No, I am not in East Coast. I am in Central one. So you are 2 hour
I'm in
more.
Central. I'm in Central.
What time is yours
Now
now?
it is 11:15 for me. For you?
Yeah, mine is 10:15.
10:15. Which place are you?
Yes, I'm in Colorado.
Colorado. Oh, okay. I'm open for any timings, any day, and
So no, like I'm asking for sir, like because it will be too late in India.
No
Like
problem.
10 to 12 or 10 to 1 it will be. So we can
No
do
problem.
like
Now also it is 11 for me. 10:43.
yeah. No, we can like do it early, like
Listen,
like
I have an Scrum call
oh yes, okay.
in because of daylight savings.
Yes, yes,
Previously, my
yes.
call is 8 to 9, but
Mm-hmm.
now it is 9 to 10.
9 to 10. Oh, okay, okay.
The facing problem is we are
Yeah. Mm.
we know the final answer. But meanwhile, in that Thanksgiving and all those things, right? Based on your availability and your doubts, so we connect and we clarify your doubts. Create things in the notepad.
Hmm.
sir, you're breaking.
Find out. I mean, find out that questions from different sources.
So you're
Yes.
asking, I can hear you clearly now. So you are asking us to come up with the questions, like
Questions.
interview
Yes, right.
questions, and which we
Yes.
are not able to understand, which we
Yes,
can
by
clear.
yourself. Yes.
Okay.
Except Power BI, remaining all the areas.
Okay.
So these 3 days, like we can do that things, whatever the
Yes.
doubts we have, we can clear.
Yes. Yes.
Mhm.
You can share me in your head. For example,
Mhm.
maybe some questions I also don't know. So I also
Mhm.
need to refer, right?
Yeah.
Can you please
So-
share ahead? I'll
Mm.
look into those things
Hmm.
and we'll discuss.
So we are looking
Oh.
for, sir, we are looking for, we are seeing like we are having a class on Thanksgiving Day too, on Thursday.
That's completely your wish. If you have any doubts, I'm there to help you guys.
Even if I'm traveling, I think I can connect, sir. I don't have a problem.
Yeah. So you are going to Texas finally?
No, I am in Texas, and from Dallas, I'm going to Houston.
Houston.
That is okay for me. I can, I can connect
Yeah.
to the class. That's not an
Mhm.
issue for
If
me.
anyone have any doubts, I'll definitely connect.
Okay, yeah, sure, sure. So,
Okay.
like, if you have any time, so in 3 days, can you ask some question to us regarding that interview? Like, we are able to know what questions.
Once you, I mean to say like once you completed
Hmm.
the workout, try to
Okay.
understand the questions and all those things and clarifying
Hmm.
those things, then I'll give one
Okay.
project for each and every one.
Okay. Okay. Sure.
Sir,
Okay, that's
can you
yes, sir.
send the thing which you are mentioning, like the questionnaire? You said SQL and Tableau. You have some questionnaire. Can you also post that in the group, sir?
That questionnaire is a old one, Anirupa. That will
Okay.
be not useful for the current trend.
Okay.
I
Okay.
checked that, so that is the reason I didn't
I
share that
checked
thing.
in Simply Learn. There is, I can post it now. I actually am going through the questions, like off late, I'm going through the questions. I can post it in the group. You guys can go through. It is mostly like for Tableau and Power BI I'm posting. SQL I'll also, I think. You guys go through. We can connect over that.
Okay.
But
That's
it is
fine.
from the only like from the one single source. I will come up with other things also. I'll just search for other things and I will.
Okay. Okay.
Sir, you are saying something about the project. When are you going to give that, sir?
So once we are clear with these things, when I'm going to start the Power BI after clearing your doubts, then I'll give you the project.
So that will be end-to-end project, like
Yes.
we have to use SQL, everything, sir.
So I'll give an Excel file, or see, I'll give a SQL file, CSV file. You need to keep that data in the data file. You need to perform some specific SQL operations. After that, you need to download the data. You need to clean some things with the Python, and then you need to use visualization tool to
Okay.
analyze. This is the specific, and finally, you need to prepare the presentation related to it.
Sir, I have a doubt. I know this is the same thing I'm asking from the beginning. So
Hmm.
if it is a developer, once he develop the codes and he does the unit testing and afterwards he will deploy the code, right, sir? This part, the data analyst job, the role, does that thing like where it will happen?
Okay. For the information I'm sharing, if you are a Power BI developer or a Tableau developer, there is no deployment.
Okay, for the
You are
data
going to
analyst, there is
you
no
are
environment.
yes. For example, you are a business. You are working on a Power BI or Tableau.
Mhm.
Okay, you need to publish the reports in a production environment. You need to publish. That's it. You need to
Okay.
create a report and you need to connect the data with the data sources, and you need to publish that reports to the business. They'll access it. That's it.
Okay,
In the
there is
test
no,
environment,
it's
if you are
mostly
a
in the production environment. You are,
right. Yes,
okay,
data analyst also most of the times they don't use anything related to analysis is nothing but by analyzing it you need to give some specific report or you need to give some results. If
okay,
you are a data scientist, then you need to build some algorithm and you need to deploy. For a
okay,
data analyst role and for the Power BI and Tableau development roles, that is not required.
okay, okay,
Okay.
okay, okay, sir, thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Hope you are feeling
Thank you.
good, sir. Yeah,
Yes.
Yeah.
Little
yeah.
flu. I mean, it's like very cold. Nirupa.
Yeah,
Too
we
much
are all
cold.
down with flu, sir. My kid is again sick and she is down from past 5 days.
Ah,
Okay.
Now I'm catching up.
here also. Flu is
Take care.
too
Take care.
much.
Uh,
Yeah.
happy. Enjoy the
So we are
Thanksgiving Day
having class
celebrations.
tomorrow, sir.
Yes, but for the doubts clarification.
Okay,
If no
Hmm.
one don't anyone didn't post anything, don't have a class. If you post some questions
Hmm.
specifically which you are not able to understand by yourself, then you will have.
Hmm.
okay,
Okay.
Please try to post it by 6 p.m. IST before.
Okay.
okay,
Okay. Thank
okay.
you. Bye
Yeah.
bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye, sir. Bye, everybody.
Bye.